Hi guys, hi everyone, welcome back with the second Sudoku in this edition of yesterday's newspaper. Yes, yesterday's newspaper is Thursday, June the 10th, and today's actually Friday, June the 11th, but in today's newspaper there's no additional, so I've decided to continue with the rest of the puzzles in this puzzle page of yesterday's newspaper. Yes, we have 3 puzzles left. Sudoku with 2 stars, Tectonic with 1 star, and a binary puzzle. And this Sudoku will be number 2932. Alright. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. How about... Yeah, let's get started. In this row, we have 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, and the 9 are missing. 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9. And look, we have a 1 here, so no 1 there. Here also a 2 in this big square, so no 2 there. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this row for the number 9. We have a 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 9 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 3 boxes. There 9, no 9 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. All right. And now I cannot continue with the 9. Let me see which number I can pick. How about this big square? 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 7. We see here 2 and a 7 in this row. So no 2 and a 7 in those 3 boxes. The 2 and a 7 goes in these 2 boxes. We see here 7. So no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 2 goes there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. The 1 is missing, 2, 3. The 4 is missing, 1, 4, and the 8 are missing in this big square. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 8. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row, so in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 1. How about those 2 boxes in the last column? 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6. We see here 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here and the 6 goes there. 5 in this row. 5 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column. 5 in that column. So in the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5. No 5 there. 5 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in those 3 boxes. There 5, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the first column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 5. All right. Then how about the 2 in this row, the 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Now we have a 2 here, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for, 1 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 1 should be there, and all the ones are used. I can see digit number 2, number 1. 2, 2. Yeah, I cannot continue with the 2. How about the number? Yeah, the number. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 2 and a 7. We have a 2 and a 7 in the middle column, so no 2 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. The 2 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this big square should be the numbers 3 and 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 3 goes there. 1 number left in the middle column for the number 8 is missing, yes. 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 and the 7 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 6 and the 7. The other pair in this big square, 1, 2, the 3 is missing and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and a 9. Okay. Okay. 8, 4, 7. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, the only place for the 7 should be there. Now we have a 7 there. So this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. And this box should be a 2. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 7 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 7. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 4 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 box left in this row for the number 2. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see digit number 3, number 2. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 8 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 8 and 3. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 4 and 6. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Alright. Then. How about the 8, 3, 6. 3 missing numbers in this big square. The 6 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 8 is missing in this big square. And look, we have a 3 and a 6 in this row, so no 3 and a 6 in this box. The 3 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes, 3 and a 6. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 8. Now we have 8 there, so this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 4. 1 box left in this column for the number 3. 3, yes. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 9. 2 boxes left in this big square for the number 7 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 box left in this row for the number 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be an 8. Then 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so on the row above. The only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there, and 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there, and 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 number left in this row, the third row for the number 6, I believe. Yes, 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 9. 4 and 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 box left in the first column for the number 6. 1 box left in this big square for the number 4. 1 box left in this third column for the number 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box will be a 4, and this box will be a 7. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can't be 7 anymore. That box will be a 7, and this box will be a 6. Final 2 numbers of this big square for the number 6 and 9. 6 and 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Finish in 10 minutes. Wow! Cannot believe this. 2 stars. No, I think a 1 star, because I'm faster than 15 minutes and I'm very well pleased with the time. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the tectonics, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the Sudokus, 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars. I have also playlists for the killer Sudokus, heavy Sudokus, light Sudokus, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel, subscribe, and you'll find them all those playlists. Yes, thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the other 2 puzzles. The tectonic and the binary puzzle are left. So see you then. Bye bye for now.